we'll guide you through how to clear the cache on Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to Vercel's website by entering vercel.com in the address bar. Once you're logged in, you'll see your project's dashboard. Here, click on the specific project for which you want to clear the cache. This will take you to the project overview page. Now, look for the Deployments tab on the top menu and click it. In the Deployments area, you can see a list of all your previous deployments. To clear the cache, you need to redeploy your project, which effectively clears the cached versions. Click on the New Deployment button, usually located at the top right corner. This action triggers a fresh build of your project, wiping the previous cache. Make sure your deployment is successful by checking the status updates. You can also confirm the cache is cleared by visiting your website and seeing if the recent changes reflect immediately. If you're using environment variables, ensure they're correctly set, as a new deployment might depend on them. Remember, clearing the cache can help resolve issues with stale content and ensure users see the most up-to-date version of your site. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.